Did it go?
Yeah, just the lenses up there, you might not see it. Get him, get him!
Where is it? Where is it in there? Yeah. You're gonna break him up. Yeah.
Boys.
He's still going. Hello! Get him, Cruz! Get him, Cruz!
Get him! Good boys.
Hey!
Hey! Fucking bite, you can't. Good boys.
Good boys. Got all your dogs? Hey!
You fucking moron.
That's a wide big egg.
Yeah, still fucking
Good dog.
good boys. You
Good
fucking
dog.
wedged in under the drop here, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, you would have been loving that.
Good boys.
Horsey, good boy. Grab your white dog, eh? Grab that white dog before he takes off. Up on the rock there, you just pat it.
Yeah.
Here, look. Other side. He's going to take off in a minute. He's listening to that other dog barking.
Good boys.
Fucking poor Zach, mate. He couldn't climb them rocks then, eh?
Yeah.
He's going weak in the knees. Good dog. Good dog.
Good boys.
Good boy. I wonder what Tussie's got. Good boys.
Good boys.
Fucking what a mission.
Hey. Oh. He's got a bit of fucking chompers on him.
Hey.
Chief,
get out. Whack him on there with the knife. Chief, get out. Chief.
Fucking look at the ears on the floor.
Been waiting a bit, eh?
Hey.
Chief! Get out, you black cunt.
Hey, look at that.
Fuck yeah.
Fucking good task. Really good task.
Yeah.
Meg's got fucking
Couple of rips.
pieces missing off the fucking nose.
Someone's got to be ripped up.
Hey. Oh, did you nearly make it? Wonder if I could bash that off with this knife.
Take his whole head.
Gee, fuck off for a minute, would you? Dilo!
Pity she got fucking sucked there, eh? Would have been good for her.
At least the dogs are in the water.
Yeah.
It's not fucking fun.
Chief. Yeah, flog him because he'll fight for it, eh?
Yeah.
How do I stop this video? Just that red.
Just, yeah.